afternoon, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Girish Goyal, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, School of Agriculture, IIT University, Gwalior. Students, I hope you are good and stay at home safely. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग घर पे होंगे, सुरक्षित होंगे. Students, today I am going to start our subject Agron 514 Agronomy of Major Field Crops Kharif. Okay. Students, so let's start our topic about quality components and industry and their post harvesting and marketing. Okay, unit 5, lecture 1. Students, I will introduce all content one by one, and first quality planning, and next quality control, next quality insurance, next quality improvement, next post harvest handling, next post harvest marketing, then references. Okay स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट कंटेंट है हमारा क्वालिटी प्लानिंग. सो स्टूडेंट्स आइए देखते हैं स्टूडेंट क्वालिटी कंपोनेंट्स एंड इंडस्ट्रियल एंड देयर पोस्ट हार्वेस्टिंग एंड मार्केटिंग क्या है. आइए देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी is the group of feature and characteristics which determines the capacity of the product to meet the specification requirement of a standard or of a customer. Students, it is often defined as the ability to fulfill the customer's needs and expectation. It is also sometimes defined as meeting specification at the lowest possible cost as well as delivering the value that a customer derives from a product. Students, it is important for the organization that the quality product are delivered to the customer, since they are the top most drivers for the organization success. After all, growing sales make the foundation of the organizational performance, not only to remain consistent but also make strong and steady. Students, however, in the organization employees to make a mistake and machines and equipment to have breakdowns. Students, the goal of the product quality management is to minimize this so that the customer remain happy with the product performance and recorded the products. For this, the organization is to put a relentless focus or product quality. Okay, so students, product quality management include in the following are four major components. They are quality planning and quality control and quality insurance and quality improvement. So first, students, quality planning. Okay, students, quality planning is the process of identify which quality standards are relevant to the product and determining the procedures and techniques to satisfy them. Quality planning means how to fulfill the process and the delivery products quality requirement. It helps the organization to schedule all of the takes needs to make sure that the product meets the need of the customer. Students, quality planning is a critical part of the manufacture of any product. It enables the organization to agree a set of quality target with the customer. Students, it also helps to mentor and control the level of quality of the product and to ensure that the product meet the quality target set. Students, by using the quality plan templates, the organization can set quality target and ensure that the delivery to product meet the customer's need, thereby ensuring that success of the organization. Students, first quality component of the quality gap is the understanding gap, which is lack of understanding of what the customer needs. Students, sometimes this gap open up because the manufacturer simply failures the consider to who's the customer are and what they need. More after the gap is there because the supply organization has a confidence it is ability to understanding and exactly what do customer really needs. Students, the final pr- the final participation gap also arises from the failure to understand the customer and the customer needs. Customer does not usually experiences a product simply based on the technical merits of the product. Students, customers react how any preview the product provided them with benefits. Okay, so students students, second constitute of the quality gap is a design gap. Even if there are perfect knowledge about customer needs, the the presentation many times the organization fails to create design for the product which are usually constant with that understanding some of these failures is from the fact that the employees students how understand customer any the disciplines they use of understanding customers needs are often systematically isolated from those who actually create the product design. Students, in addition design for the product often lack the simple tools which enable them to combine their the technical expertise with understanding for the customer needs to creatively superior products. Students, the third gap is the process gap. Many splendid design fail because the process by which the product is physically manufactured is not capable or conforming uh, to the design constantly time after time. Students, this lack of process capability is one of the most persistent and the battling at the failure in the total quality gap. Which means the fourth gap is the operations gap, the means by which the process operated and control may create additional deficiencies is the delivery of the final product. Next, students, quality planning provides. Okay, students, quality planning provides the process methods tool and qualities for closing each of these component gap and thereby ensuring that the final quality gap is at minimum. Students, the basic step of quality planning include in first establishment of the project, second identification of the customer, and third discovering the customer needs, and fourth development of the product, and next development of the process, and next development of the control, and next implementation of the developed process and control during the manufacture of the product. Okay, so students, next quality control. पहला था quality planning and this quality control. Okay, so students, आइए देखते हैं. Students, quality control is a process which measures and determine the quality level of product. It is the actives of or techniques used to maintain the product quality. Students, it is the way of ensuring that the result of the manufacture process are the same as as was expected. Students, it emphasizes the testing of product to uncover defect at the report to production management who make that decision to allow obtain a product release. Students, quality control consists of the find and limiting causes the quality problem thought tools and equipment so that the so students so that the requirements of the customer are met on a continuous basis. It is a product basis approach. Students, it is considered and with the operational activities and techniques which are used to fulfill the requirements of quality. Students, quality control is the most basic level of quality. It start with activities whose purpose is to control the quality of product by finding a problem and deficit as the various definition and of the quality control are as follow. Students, 9,000 defense and defense of the quality control as a part of quality management focused focused of on fulfill quality requirements. Next, student, quality control is the process involved within the system to ensure job management components and performance during the manufacturing of the product, so as to ensure that it need the quality plan as designed. Students, quality control it is also defined as the operational techniques and activities which are used to fulfill requirement to quality, and quality control included all activities which are designed during quality planning to determine the level of quality of the product for delivery. Students, it is a relative means by which quality is gauged and monitored and included all operational technique all and activities used to fulfill requirement for quality. Next, students, quality insurance. Okay, students, quality insurance is a complete and complete system to assure the quality of the product and produced by the organization. Students, it is not only a process but a complete system which also include control it is process organized and ensure that right things are being done in a right way. Student, it is way or of management. It is an active and effective tools in the hands of the management to mitigate risk. So this is quality insurance. Next, students, quality improvement. Students, quality improvement. Students, the fundamental concept underlying quality improvement is that a system left unchanged can only be expected to continue producing the same result. Students, to achieve better performance, it is necessary to change the system in way that enable it to produce the improved result. Students, quality improvement is a systematic formal approach to the analysis of the practice performance and for effort for the improvement of the performance. So this is quality improvement. Next, students, post harvest handling. Okay, students, post harvest handling. Students, and lettuce contain more than 95% water, has a short shelf life. There are the crop should be moved into a cool airing and shady areas free from southern winds directly after harvesting. So there are different parts and sorting and grading and packaging. So first of all, settling and grading. Students, leaf that are lost and discolored and and damages solid and diseased are removed better and are cut clean and cleaning or for packing. Students, leaf better and coarse type are cut timed and that into compact bundles and before being placed or cartoon. Students, lettuce as the grade according to hand size. Good quality lettuce is free from and fitting seeding or bitter effects and is firm, fresh, clean and simply. Students, this is next packing. Students, packing will be done into field or in a packing shed. Okay, students, lettuce is a packet in 2 or 4 layered create or cartoons. Students, and pocket according to head size groups. So this is packing. Next, students, post harvest marketing. Students, coating are one of the method to increase the shelf life of product and decrease the quality and quantity losses quoting from the ethical part of the post-harvest treatment process. Students, as fruit, vegetable are shorted for longer periods, thereby making it important to maintain their shelf life and quality. So this is post-harvest making marketing. Students, फिर इसमें हार्वेस्ट पार्ट एंड सॉर्टिंग एंड ग्रेडिंग एंड पैकिंग. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हार्वेस्ट पार्ट. स्टूडेंट, हार्वेस्टेड पार्ट removed from direct sunlight and transported to the packing shade as soon as possible. Next is sorting and grading. So student, the injury leaves should be removed. Okay, इसको हटा दिया जाए. फिर पैकिंग. स्टूडेंट्स, पैक्ड in plastic plates and warp with the and polythene. Okay, so students, this topic is finished. Okay, so students, this topic is finished. Quality components and industrial and their post harvest and मार्केटिंग. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये यूनिट 5 का लास्ट टॉपिक था आपका. ये काफ़ी छोटा सा टॉपिक है. ओके, यूनिट 5 का. तो आई होप आप इस वीडियो को, इंटरेक्टिव वीडियो को पूरा अंत तक देखेंगे और आप इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखें. कोई डाउट लगे तो बिल्कुल पूछिएगा लास्ट में. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट, दिस टॉपिक इज़ फिनिश. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.